Happy Monday, everyone! It's January 19, 2026. It's 1:33 p.m. here in BC. So, how's everybody? Kamusta kayong lahat? It's Monday again, and as always, Monday is a new start of your reset. So, after being off work during that weekend, 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So it's time to reset, go back to what you're doing, go back to work, and go back to your daily routine. So, kamusta kayong lahat? How's your weekend? So, for me, weekend is very, very short. Napakabilis ng weekend nitong nakaraan. It's just like, natulog ako ng Friday, and then pagising ko Monday na agad. So, I know you all feel the same way na parang napaka-short ng weekend, napaka-bilis nung Saturday, Sunday. So, we had a busy Saturday. So, early in the morning, we went to a laboratory to have our blood works done. It's our yearly thing. And you know, every January or February I do that for just to check kung how's the health of my family. So yon, and then afterwards, you know, dalawang araw yata kami nag-mall kasi it's a bit cold outside, so we decided na just try to walk and para lang matagtag, and ang hirap gumalaw pag malamig. So, usually, dun lang. Nagpunta lang kami sa mall, and then, afterwards, umuwi, and then, actually, last Saturday, natulog ako ng almost 4 hours, I guess. So, after, pagdating namin ng hapon, natulog agad ako kasi feeling ko kulang na kulang ako sa tulog this past few days. So, nagbawi ako. So, by the way, my name is Camille, and what I do is I help moms, especially immigrant ones, build their own business from home, a legitimate business, an online business that you can do from the comfort of your home. We teach parents or mothers how they can earn ethically online by doing this business. So we have bunch of training materials, marketing materials, and all to get you started on this online journey. So you know what I really like about my business is yung automation niya. Yung I get to have leads automatically through like knowing how the in and outs of doing paid advertising and even the free ones. So when you get to know more about this business, you'll see na yung automation really helps a lot, especially for busy moms like me. And minsan, if you're in sales, so I've been with sales for almost entire of my career in the Philippines. So yung follow-ups talaga is really, really important. If you don't, sometimes talagang pag di ka nagka-follow up, you're not gonna make any sales. But here in our business, you can set up your follow-ups, and every day there's a system or our marketing tools help you to do your marketing campaign for about, I think, 20 days. So the system will automatically send all your leads the things that they need to know, and the follow-ups, and yung mga basic information about the business, some facts as well. We send that one to our prospect clients, or what we call leads. So you as a mom or a business owner, you don't have to focus on just one thing. You can do your full-time job, you can do all your chores, you can be a mother, a wife, and you can also go to other activities For example, you can do exercises or do some hobbies as well. Hi Jeffrey, thank you so much for watching. So, automation ngayon really is a big help sa mga businesses. Gone are the days na mano-mano yung follow up sa mga kliyente nyo. So usually, may mga email campaign, text campaign dyan. Sometimes meron pang call campaign, yung may mga automation na tatawagan ka just to remind you about your schedule with them, your appointments with them, and the like. So it's really necessary now for businesses to have a structured system and an automated one to help you out. Kasi napaka dami natin ginagawa sa buhay natin ngayon. Dahil sa internet, online, we can see all information, we can do all things. We can order food, we can do our appointments, we can we can check our yung mga lab tests, like what we have. So we've done our lab test last Saturday, but kagabi I logged online and then I can see all the results from the lab test that we did just nung Sabado. So it's very easy now. We don't have to go to the lab to get all the results and then submit it to our family doctor. Hindi na ganun ngayon. So napakabilis. In one click, in one login, you'll see all your information. And that's why it's really critical to have an automated system. That's why when I was planning to put up a business, when I was considering what kind of business that I can go through, ito talaga yung business or yung negosyo na nagustuhan ko kasi nga may system talaga na will help you out to do mostly all the works. Kasi especially if you are a full-time employee, most of us started with a full-time employee, as a full-time employee. Yung iba nga dyan, 2-3 trabaho pa. And then eventually, na-lessen na nila hours. Eventually, na isang trabaho na lang yung ginagawa nila. So, malaking tulong talaga if you have a business or if you have a side hustle na madali lang gawin, it won't take too much of your time. I remember several times a lot of people were asking me to join their group, like it's a financial advisory group, so more on letting or helping your clients plan their financial goals. But sabi ko, I don't think I can do this kasi sobrang matrabaho yon. It will take too much of my time because I have to first study yung current situation ng kliyente, and then I have to recommend kung ano yung magandang plan for his or her future money goals. And then you have to present, diba? Which take hours then. Then after that, you will do follow-ups and all. So sabi ko, I don't think I can do this. I want something that's easy. I want something that's automated. I want something na in a glance you know where you are at. And that's why this business, we have all the automation. We have the portal and the system na we'll see kung sino-sino yung mga dapat kung sino-sino yung mga leads namin. And the good part is yung titingnan mo lang siya because the system will send all the follow-up emails for you, which is very good kasi lahat naman tayo ngayon may emails na, lahat na konektado na sa email. You can communicate through email, and sometimes mas chine-check pa nga natin una emails. Minsan pag gising mo pa lang, you're gonna check your emails. Meron bang email ang school? May email ba ang work? May email ba yung friend ko? Or may mga promotions ba itong sinusundan ko or itong business na gusto ko? Maybe may promo for massage or for facial. So, yun, some sort things like that. So, if you're looking for a business na or even as a side hustle for the first few months or years maybe, so this business might be for you. Check this business out because sabi ko nga, everything is shifting online, and the most or the smartest thing to do is shift also online. Go with the flow. Doon kayo sa makiuso kayo, kasi pag traditional pa rin yung ginagawa nyo, yes, it will still be profitable, but at some point maiiwanan kayo dahil hindi kayo nag-innovate, hindi kayo sumabay sa pagiging online or being visible online. So, and also this business won't require too much of your time. It depends kung ano yung gusto nyong, how much time you wanna put in a day. So it depends. So minsan I put a lot of time sa business ko, but sometimes I need to do other things. So work, family, or personal. So lesser yung time in a day. So it depends. You will dictate what you wanna earn here and how you want to run your business. So message me directly if you have any questions, and you could also register online, www.camilledigitallife.com. And then from pag register nyo, an email with the link for the 90-minute video will be sent to you. This email or this video is about the basic information of the business. It's gonna be 90 minutes. You can pause and then go back, pause and then go back. It's not naman required to really watch it in one sitting na 90 minutes. It's still up to you, depende sa availability mo. But try to check this one out. You'll see a lot of ads about on earning online, working from home. So maraming ganon. But yung iba, very difficult. May mga quotas dyan, or you have to maintain something. But here in our business, business mo to. So ikaw magpapatakbo, nasa sayo kung paano mo siya dadalhin, and nasa sayo kung paano mo siya didiskartehan. So I hope I'll see you again next time, and thank you so much for watching. Who's gonna watch the live afterwards, and happy Monday. So bukas makalawa, Friday na ulit. So okay lang yan, keep going, and if your motivation is low, kaya nyo yan. We're almost halfway through the day, through Monday, so konti na lang yung off from work and you're heading home na. So thank you so much everyone, and have a happy Monday. I'll see you on my next live. Bye.